Welcome back to the internet web. Have you ever seen a bird this talented before? This person used a magnet to drift this toy car. What if I told you this cat jumped and got that balloon? Another normal day seeing a lion walk past traffic. This hawk stabilized its head as it kept track on its prey. Here's a breathtaking habitat of the ibex. This is what an Arctic fox looks like. Have you ever seen a peacock landing before? Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future videos.